Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to rotate your video on Capcut mobile. So here I already opened my Capcut and I also have the project. I already have the video on my project, and let's flip and try to rotate this video. And the things that you need to do, you just need to go click the clip, and after that they will be activating some tools down here. So you just need to scrolling into the left side until you found this edit tool, and then you just need to go click it. And now there will be several options, either you want to crop, rotate, or mirror. So if you want to flip this video, you just need to go click this mirror, and then your video is gonna clip it. So this is the original one. Okay, she's facing us like that, and if you want to flip, you just need to go click this mirror, and now the video is already flipped it. That's the way how to flip this video. And how to rotate it, you just need to go click this rotate button, and after that you just need to decide how the way you want to rotate your video. And that's the way how to flip and rotate video on a Capcut mobile. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.